Hello everyone, I am Dr. Juhi Dangpawa. Today I am going to share with you diet chart need to be taken during thyroid disorders. We need to consume in our daily routine. But before that, for the continuation of this video, if you guys are listening me for the very first time, please check out my previous video both in Hindi and English translation. In that, I have already discussed about the thyroid hormone and treatment regarding the same. So let's get started. In thyroid diet chart, as we all are aware that we need to take medicine, but more than that, diet chart in our daily lifestyle, daily routine, diet pattern is very important. I would like to share with you guys in our body selenium and calcium uptake is very much important. Due to the intake of thyroxine medicine during hypothyroidism condition, the selenium and calcium absorption becomes slow. For that, selenium calcium tablets need to be taken by consulting with your doctors regularly. Secondly, yoga exercises, neck and back exercises. Third, thyroid hormones helps us in maintaining the energy and growth in our body, as I said in my previous video too. So proper sleep pattern is mandatory in this. We all know that home food is healthy for us, but some of the eatables ruined our curing process of thyroid, even if we are on time with our diet pattern and medicines. So therefore, a particular diet chart is there for the thyroid patients. Before that, I would like to share with you that in our intestine lining, some of the waste products get stuck and with that, via the blood circulation, toxins circulate in our body again and reaches to the thyroid gland, which stops it secreting the thyroid hormones properly. So in diet chart, what we need not to consume: white rice, refined oil, sugar, refined flour, milk products, as this digest late in our body. Instead of white rice, we can consume brown rice. Instead of sugar, we can have jaggery, dates. So starting with the breakfast, toxin removal is required for both normal and the patient suffering from thyroid. First of all, after consuming your thyroid medicine, you need to detox your body. Ashgard juice or cucumber juice grinded with the coriander is best for it. After 1 or 2 hours, any seasonal fruit you can consume in your diet. Do not consume citrus and sweet fruit together. You can have mango, papaya, apple, watermelon, any of the seasonal fruit. In lunch time, any vegetable needed chapati, spinach chapati, beetroot chapati, you can have. Do not consume multigrain flour, any beans, that is rajma or chana, less oil, coconut can crush during cooking. Pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds are best in this. In the night, you can have any vegetable soup or salad. So coconut oil, coconut milk, crushed coconut during cooking, you can add in your diet. Instead of taking iodized salt, you need to add rock salt in your diet, as iodized salt is processed and refined one. If you are taking care of your health, your food pattern, exercise, medicine properly, then you can have cooked cauliflower or cabbage in your diet. Otherwise, raw cauliflower or cabbage is harmful in this. Guys, this much for today's video. If any queries, you can drop me under the comment section and want me to share any particular topic, then I would like to do the same. And do not forget to press the like and subscribe button and bell icon for the further notifications. Thank you.